Hello, my name is Robert at MyTimeplan. I want to thank you for taking the time to take a look at my time plan for ground handlers. Our goal is to handle all issues in workforce management, from importing flight schedule up until payroll system. It includes task computing from flight schedule, shift scheduling, allowing employees to make wishes for what shifts they prefer to work, optimizing final schedule, optimizing task assignment, attendance clocking, computing time to payroll, as well as all other information and reporting in real time. We prefer to connect with airport operational database to receive flight schedule like once a day for next 9 months and every 5 minutes for like next 5 days. We set up in demand diagrams your customer service level agreements so that all tasks are computed according to your client's agreements. We have events in the system, which is created according to these agreements with clients. We set up different demand diagrams for each department. The demand diagrams take into account different service level agreement for each customer, each airline. And we can have steps in these demand diagrams so that like if we have less than 3 departures, we don't have any task computed. If we have more than 3 departures up until 5 departures, we have 1 task and so forth. Then we have all events or tasks computed according to flight schedule and your client's agreements. This adds up in the total staffing requirements for like each department, like passenger service, where there is detailed information about each task demand from minute to minute. Task demand is used for exporting to Gurobi optimization to figure out the optimum shift schedule according to each day staffing requirements. So here at the screen we have all allowed shifts, and at the bottom we have the requirements, the staffing requirements. After having it optimized by Gurobi, we have exactly what shifts and what number of each is the best fit for the staffing to align with the requirements as much as possible. You are able to allow your employees to make wishes to select from those optimized shifts. So in the mobile app that users get from App Store or Play Store, they are able to choose from those shifts the shift they prefer to work. They get statistics for the salary period from the wishes they made. Then in the end, we send again to Gurobi optimization the employee wishes and the staffing requirements, and the Gurobi figure out the optimized schedule where it tries to take as much as possible into account the employee wishes. But in the end, the staffing requirements are met in the final roster. You have a clear view on a day-to-day basis of the shifts, the absences, and the attendances. And the gray line is the attendances. So there are clear benefits in having in the same system, in one system, the shifts and the attendances. And you are able to configure how time are computed to payroll according to attendance and shift. For an example, that time to payroll is the time that the attendance overlaps the shift. Early arrival, early clock in, or late clock out needs to be approved by the manager before it goes to payroll. In my time plan, we also have shift market, where employees can request for swap shifts and their colleague can make an offer, and then the manager accepts the swap shifts. Managers can also advertise extra shifts on the market that employees can make an offer, and then administrators accept the offers they like to accept. We have tasks assignments. So we have all unassigned tasks. We have all shifts available, each employee skill set. And again, we use Gurobi for assigning tasks to shifts so that we have the optimum use of all shifts for every given period. We have turnaround management view, where we combine arrivals and departures as a turnaround, and the managers have clear overview of each turnaround and each arrival and departure. And we are able to print out a traffic ticket with the load factor information like passenger numbers, cargo, mail, etc. You are able to create a project planning in MTP. Employees have all their information about tasks in the mobile app, so I can see which task I have for today's shift, and employers can require their employees to clock in and out when they start and end the task, as well as a checklist that the agent checks when each to-do is done. There's a notification system in the application. So for an example, if we have changes in flight schedule that makes tasks unassigned, then manager and employee can have notification about unassigned task that needs to be reassigned. The attendances can be gathered via terminal, where employees can scan their finger, their face, or RFID card. Or you can allow your employees to clock in and out with the mobile app. And you can limit it with certain Wi-Fi nets or IP addresses. There's various resource management reports in the system where you can have a clear overview of the resource you have, the upcoming demand, the staffing requirements, and the number of full-time employees you need for each period. As well, you can upload your budget planning into the system and have a clear view of the budget planning according to the shift plan and how it evolves from a day to day. Since we compute all time to payroll, if you export from payroll each employee salary item, you're able to have the exact salary cost information in MTP, so that on an everyday basis you know what the actual salary cost is for any given date, and you are able to see where the salary cost will end for the current period or the upcoming periods where you have already created shift schedule. This salary information can be drilled down from department all the way down to each employee's shift, the salary cost report. So you have the cost per day. You have other reporting like productive hours. You have absence reports, punctuality reports, sickness reports, and the report module is flexible, so reports can be created upon each employer requests. My time plan computes each employee time to salaries according to each employee contract, and these are accessible for the user in the mobile app or on the web app. Employees in online confirmation process to payroll can confirm their report. Administrator is required to confirm employees' report for payroll. And once payroll administrator have confirmed, they are locked for further editing. In the end, the time to payroll is exported to the payroll system. We prefer to export it to an API for the payroll. If payroll system requires an import of file, that can also be adjusted to the payroll requirements for file import. We also have REST API so that the ground handler can receive information or push or pull from MTP various information. Canteen system, if that is supposed to be subtracted from salaries, cost of canteen. So in the end, why choose MTP? We have 25 years experience in workforce management. We are a skilled and focused team that are focusing on workforce management optimization. We want to help you to increase your workforce productivity per working hour. It's a complete advanced software suite that handles all issues up until payroll system. We are continuously developing our application together with our customers' needs, and we aim for a long, successful, and prosperous cooperation. So thank you for taking the time to take a look at MTP.